Bridges, a marvelous invention that has been helpful to humans for centuries now. A miracle of science which has its diverse build and beauty that has benefited us in numerous ways. Today, Superfat Studio brings to you top 5 uniquely engineered bridges in India. Howrah Bridge, Kolkata. When one thinks of Kolkata, the image of Howrah Bridge pops into one's mind. Howrah Bridge is the most famous landmark of Kolkata. Located over the Hooghly River, this iconic bridge in India dates back to 1943. The bridge was originally named as the New Howrah Bridge because it replaced a pontoon bridge at the same location linking the two cities of Howrah and Kolkata. On 14th June 1965, it was renamed as Rabindra Setu after the great Bengali poet Rabindranath Tagore. It is still popularly known as the Howrah Bridge. It is suspended over the river and is a cantilever bridge, which means it is supported only on the ends. It took 6 years to complete this bridge, and in its construction, not a single bolt or nut was used. It consumed 26,500 tons of steel, out of which 23,000 tons of high tensile alloy steel known as Tiscrom was supplied by Tata Steel. When commissioned in 1943, Howrah was the third longest cantilever bridge in the world, behind Pont de Quebec in Canada and fourth bridge in Scotland. It has since been surpassed by 3 bridges, making it the 6th longest cantilever bridge in the world in 2013. The Kolkata Port Trust is vested with the maintenance of the bridge. Each day, thousands of vehicles and pedestrians use this bridge. Today, the British era bridge still stands tall and has stood the test of time. Pamban Bridge, Tamil Nadu. Pamban Bridge is a railway sea bridge which connects the town of Mandapam in the mainland with Pamban Island and Rameshwaram in the state of Tamil Nadu. Opened on 24th February 1914, it was India's first sea bridge and was the longest sea bridge in India until the opening of the Bandra Worli Sea Link in 2009. The rail bridge is, for the most part, a conventional bridge resting on concrete piers, but has a double leaf bascule section midway which can be raised to let ships and barges pass through. Until 1988, the Pamban Bridge was the only surface transport that connected Tamil Nadu's island of Rameshwaram to the mainland. In 1988, a road bridge was also constructed parallel to the rail bridge, also known as Indira Gandhi Road Bridge. The Pamban Railway Bridge spans 2.065 meter wide. The bridge is located in the world's second most corrosive environment after Florida, making its maintenance a challenging job. Jadukata Bridge, Meghalaya. Spanning over the Kinchi River, Jadukata Bridge is a stunning piece of engineering. It is located in Ranikor in the West Khasi Hills and is surrounded by green forests. It is a cantilever bridge like Howrah Bridge, which is connected only on the ends. Built across Jadukata River, it is the longest span cantilever bridge in India. The bridge has a central span of 140 meter. Jadukata Bridge is about 130 km away from Shillong, the capital of Meghalaya. Jadukata Bridge is near the Indo-Bangladesh border and forms a vital link on an important road in this border state. The bridge was built by Gammon India Limited, Mumbai. The total cost of the bridge was around Rs 10 crore. Jadukata, like other bridges in this list, is a fine example of engineering at its best. Dhola Sadia Bridge, Assam. The Dhola Sadia Bridge, also referred to as the Bhupen Hazarika Setu, is a beam bridge in India, connecting the northeast states of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. The bridge spans the Lohit River from the village of Dhola in the south to Sadia in the north. The bridge is the first permanent road connection between the northern Assam and eastern Arunachal Pradesh. At 9.15 kilometers in length, it is the longest bridge in India over water. However, the 9.76 kilometers Kachi Dargah Bidupur bridge under construction in the Indian state of Bihar is expected to become the longest bridge in India upon its estimated completion in November 2021. The Dhola Sadia Bridge was built at a considerable cost and is an asset to the nation. Construction began in November 2011 as a public-private partnership with Navayuga Engineering Company with an expected completion in 2015. However, due to construction delays and cost increases, the bridge's completion date was pushed into 2017. The bridge was inaugurated on 26 May 2017 by the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Nitin Gadkari, who is Minister of Road Transport and Highways. The bridge is named after Bhupen Hazarika, an artist and filmmaker from Assam. Bandra Worli Sea Link, Maharashtra. Located in Mumbai, Bandra Worli Sea Link is a cable-stayed bridge. That means it is entirely supported by cables which run from the tower to the base of the bridge. It is a bridge that links Bandra in the western suburbs of Mumbai with Worli in the South Mumbai. It is considered one of the most stunning bridges in India. After many obstacles regarding the location of the bridge and the strain it would create on the marine life, the bridge was opened to the public in 2009. The bridge connects the western and southern parts of Mumbai and has contributed to reducing the traffic time from an hour to just 10 to 15 minutes. The Bandra Worli Sea Link was the first infrastructure project in Mumbai to use seismic arresters. These will enable it to withstand earthquakes measuring up to 7.0 on the Richter scale. It is indeed an engineering marvel. The original plan estimated the cost at Rs 6.6 billion to be completed in 5 years. But the project was subject to numerous public interest litigations, with the 5-year delay resulting the cost escalating to 16 billion rupees, with the additional interest cost alone accounting for 7 billion rupees.